Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Google Docs for your Windows 11 in easy steps. So first you are going to open your Google Chrome browser, and then in the search bar you are going to type Google Docs. Once you do that, as you can see here, the official website, you just select it, and then you are going to click here on the three dots, and then in the options you will find here option cast, save and share, and then you will find here install page as application. You just select this one. You can name it as you want, but it is better to keep it Google Docs. Then you just click on install, and now as you can see, when we go back to our desktop view, we will find the application installed, and once we click on it, we will find ourselves automatically in Google Docs. No need to use any browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.